Gee, Minnie, what are we gonna do today?
Same thing we do every day, dummy. Try to take over the world. Okay?
Oh, I think your show's on.
Oh, hi kids. Welcome to the DeadPewPie show. I'm DeadPewPie. And this is my sidekick, Deadpool. Deadpool, say hi.
Hi.
On today's show, we got a new toy to review for you, okay? So hold on. Deadpool, go get the toy.
Okay. Ta-da! Look, check it out. Yeah. Oh, Star Wars.
Oh man, that's cool. It's Star Wars. It looks cool. Oh man. Okay, open it up.
Look, there we go.
Oh man, that's awesome. Okay, put in the batteries.
Ta-da! We're done.
Oh man, that's cool. Okay, get closer. Okay, now play with it. Yeah, play with it. Yeah. Hold on, kids. Yeah.
That's all right.
Hey, what's my money desk, dummy? Fix it.
Okay. I think we need more space.
Yeah, man. Open up the space and try to... Hey, what's my money desk?
Yeah, you better watch this money there. Oh. Oh, cool.
You big dummy, that's my money desk. Star Wars Stormtrooper. You watch it. Mister. You watch it, mister. You watch it, mister. That's my money desk. Got it? Okay. What do you think of the toy?
2 thumbs up. Yeah. I like it. 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, I like it too. Yeah, you're pretty cool. Okay, that's it for the show, folks. Tune in next time when we get you a new awesome toy to test out and review for you, okay? Deadpool, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
I love you too.
Bye.
You love tacos or chimichangas?
I love tacos.
We love tacos. We love tacos.